Chuck, Chuck. Hey Google. I'm welcome to my home office setup. Narata sa akong kwarto. So mo ni ako ang setup for this kalaki. I'm a cinematographer but also editing colorist. Hey Google, I'm leaving.
Alright, turning 5 outlets off. Sorry, it looks like the scooter isn't available right now. Nothing's playing right now. Have a good day, Christian Master Baby Boy of Bow Hall.
I have here my 3 monitor setup. We have the Asus something model. It's a 1080p monitor IPS. My go-to for documents and stuff. Karon naka-open Spotify na ako. So we have here our my main monitor. We have the BenQ kanay BenQ na siyang duha. Di ba pa mo ko ingog anad po gayo but for a beginner na mga colorist or editors, dakong tabang ang 4K no na monitor because kita mo ani. Oh my God, as big as my hand by... Lami siya trabaho sa dako na timeline ng space. Then I have here my general output sa unsay ako ang gitrabaho diri. So nakabantay mo, murag walay stand ang monitor. We have here monitor arms, yes. Masakan ako and I can tilt and swivel these monitors. If ganahan ko kanang na client diri, maglingkod ana niya. Di siya kita. Ako paduol niya eh. Di siya kita eh. Duol ba tama niya. So makita dyan siya tarong. So right here below, I have here the micro Blackmagic color panel. Gamit kay siya tungod kay if ari ko sa ko ang color page and I want to edit some stuff or kanang sa color niya sa iyang primaries, I can quickly like grade, use these wheels to turn and change the color. Kabalo sa mga terms yun, we have the ring and the Dragon Balls. So next is we have the Stream Deck. This right here is the best friend of the micro panel since the micro panel has less buttons. Na diri ang ako ang mga shortcuts for this sa resolve na mga kuan. If ganahan ko og example ari ko sa editing, so if freeze frame na ko or akong i-snapping na diha tanang shortcuts. Next we have here our keyboard and mouse. Partner na silang duha. This is the Logitech MX keys. So kani siya barato ra ba ni? Kani siya na keyboard, nice kayo siya kay pwede nimo ma-connect og mouse, pwede nimo ma-connect og Mac, pwede pa og Windows. This right here is the MX Master 3. Mo ni mouse ni KBHD oh. Kita mo ng mga sikat na mga YouTuber, mo ni lang mga mouse. Ponde, bisa diya sikat ko, mo din ang mouse. So we have here my Google Home because lonely man ko, kuraw sa diri sa kwarto, so need ko assistant. So we have here my assistant. Hey Google, what's my name?
Your name is Christian Master Baby Boy of Bow Hall.
I can program this Google Home to do stuff, mostly about my lighting. I can do like, hey Google, editing mode. We have here, after sa ito ang Google Assistant, paintings. So we have here the artists. So this my dogs. So we have here Kyla and Chucky. So nag-sleep na sila dira, no? Chuck. Kayla. Our speaker, ganahan ko ni na speaker because aesthetically it looks pleasing. Good enough na siya for general media consumption and editing. So, but I would not recommend this for like if master jud kag sound. So, nungtan na mo, Kuya Christian, unsa ning pink diri? So this right here, guys, is a red dragon. Kaya ta ground by. Great for Zoom calls. Hey, ma'am, sir. The brains and the hearts of my setup is my system unit lights. Ako na siyang i-on if mag-edit ko, if ganahan ko kanang paspas ako ang performance, akong i-on ang mga suga. The more lights na mo gawas, the more paspas jud siya ang akong performance each core. Samot nag, hey Google, turn off lights. So nindot jud siya tanaw, di ba? Magsiga siya sa sud. Makita ni mo ana. So, maka-feel jud ka na kusog jud kayo ang performance niya per core, di ba? Musaka sa dimong RAM automatic ani kada pindot imong line color depende. Kaning violet ganahan kag kanang kusog kayo na kuan power. Okay. So, kidding aside, Hey Google, turn on lights. This is not the most cheapest setup sad kuan, but I plan na mura pug ka ng long term sad na investment. I hope di sad go on yung mga I'll get to in a bit about that. So we have here Ryzen powered system unit with 64 gigs of RAM. Of course, we have only we have 2 terabytes of SSD, one for caching and one for the system unit. And besides ana, all my local files or mga kuan is stored in my external drives. So wala pa ko server. All external drives pa na siya lahat. So my graphics card guys is the RTX 3090. Gamit siya because nag-start ko learning about VFX. Of course, we have the very custom-made table. Ako na siyang gi-design ra sa like a 3D software and then gi-print din. Kanang ako na siyang gipasunod og kanang panday. And then gihimo ra sad nila. So it's a table made specifically for this setup. Mano ako ang favorite chair. At first having this kanang setup nakoy kanang murag office chair na taas kayo kanang abot bitaw diri kanang pang presidente na chair bitaw. Ana nimo apil lang nga headrest ba niya. Naka-realize ko mag-edit ko kay di man ko magana mag-edit, so magana man ko mag-edit. So dito siya gamit. Nya init kayo kay foam kay sa likod. Next is we have our CCTV here. Makita na ko tanan diri what's going on around my house because I'm not di man ko tigawas sa balay, usahay sad kanang walay tao diri, ako ra usa. And then at least makamonitor ko if something is happening sa gawas, sa gate, makita ko kinsay tao mo sulod. So it's all here in my room. So this is my command center. All right. So again, this is my desk setup. It's very convenient to work in this kind of setup. So, hey Google, turn off lights. Hey Google, turn on lights. But wait, there's more. So, here we have my local bag made by Local Crafts here in Bohol. Leather material, which has a bamboo patterns here at the front. This houses my travel laptop. Surprise! Charot. An M1 Pro! But kuya, nag-Windows man lagi kasi mong workplace. Unsa man dyan yan? Sa may klaro na. Kani siya, gamit ni siya nako if ganahan ko mag-work on the go. And then, of course, ang final rendering nako, ako ra siyang i-kuhaon dire and then i-transfer nako sa kuang big setup. Ari na ko mag-render sa final, mga bugat na effects. But for general, like, kanang sequencing of the clips, ari na ko buhaton. O, di ko ganahan matubang daho kayo po usahay. So, usahay, makalimtan na po na ako kay man na. So, muna siya. So, this is my secondary unit or my primary. Weird siya. Maglisod ko copy-paste nightmare. So, this is my home setup here in my house, in my room. Make more films. That's it. Hey Google, I'm leaving.
Alright, turning 5 outlets off. Have a good day, Christian Master Baby Boy of Bohol.
Wish you a happy coming to our beloved Philippines. This is for our bright boy.